One of the most important questions and pressing questions that beginning game masters have is, what if things don't go according to plan? Now, as a part of this course, you are going to be making that plan. You're going to be designing an adventure. You're going to be having your scenes and the different things that go into the scenes. But what if your players don't go that way? I'm going to say that's okay. All right. No adventure design is going to survive first contact with your players. But the good thing is, this process of planning, that is important. The plan itself is not. Because what's happening is that you're getting these little Lego bricks by virtue of you doing these plans that you can then deploy at runtime in your table where you're improvising, right? You're taking all this prep work that you've done and you're assembling it at your table to respond to whatever your players are doing. Remember, your job is not to enforce the plan. Your job is to play to find out what happens. Your job is to be that scenario, be the game, and respond to the player's actions as the system would realistically respond. Okay? Don't worry if your stuff is not going according to plan. Everything that you're going to be doing here is going to be equipping you to improvise at the table. All right? With that said, let's dive into the first bit, which is designing our settlement and location. I'll see you in the next video.